Hey, how's it going? As you can see here, I have one box 2019 Bowman Draft Sapphire Edition. I'm gonna open this right now. Kind of moved on from the Topps Chrome Sapphire. I know there's no autos in this, but this Sapphire, they're kind of fun to open. Here are the odds as well on the back. Go ahead and freeze frame that. Don't know a whole lot about the guys in here either, other than maybe a few of the top guys. Adley, I think a few other guys. That's a nice fat brick. Always like fat bricks to open. Reminds me of Triple Threads days. Anyway, here we go. Wish me luck. Let's see what we get. Would be pretty cool to pull some color. Nice stack of cards, 32 cards per pack. Look at that. Nice fat stack there. All right, let's see what I get. There's the Sapphire Bowman Draft. Looks pretty nice. Got Ryan Garcia, Jose Devers. It's a little hard to hold these. Nasim Nunez. A little hard to hold just because they're a little slippery. Let's do this. Do a few at a time instead. Alright, so there's Nunez. Jonathan Ornelas for Rangers. Corey Lee. Here's the backs, by the way. Just like Bowman. 2019. Darian Cruz. Will Wilson. Alejandro Kirk. There's two right here. No. Josh Wolf. Christian Robinson. Let's go next stack. Matthew Allen. I feel like I'm doing roll call. Kyle Stowers. Sixto Sanchez. Matt Mercer. I know of another Matthew Mercer in my industry. Looks like there's a blue back there. Michael Massey. Is this the blue? Nope, next one. Isaiah Gilliam. And the blue is Ian Anderson. Here. Ooh, there's a gold. Oh, nice. Adley Rushman. Oh my gosh, that's a huge card. Gold Adley. Wow. This is probably huge card. 15 of 15. This is the one card, the one guy you want to get right now. Holy moly. Huge. Alright, well, let's put this on this here. Wow, okay. That is awesome. That is the one guy I knew you want to pull. And it's a gold. Holy crap, that's huge. I'm gonna get that graded. Wow, okay, so Tirso Ornelas. Wow, that's huge. Jimmy Lewis. Holy crap. Holy crap. Vince Fernandez. Now I'm gonna rush through this just because I want to get that guy protected as soon as possible. Hayden Winsky. Jackson Kawar. Wow. Evan Edwards. Sammy Siani. Stevan Florial. I didn't know that name. Nice. Pretty good box. Ethan Small. Dalton Varsho. Last few cards here. Wow, this is super sick. Michael Toglia. Alec Manoa. Jack Little. And Josh Jung. That's the other guy I knew that was in here. Another name. Wow, sweet box. Holy moly. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and stop this video and then create another one and show you guys the 2 hits at the end here to capture it. So I want to put it away. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. I sleeved up these cards, top loaded them. I'll go ahead and show you again the recap. Here were the hits, so to say, or the good cards. Josh Jung. Nice one. Don't know much about him, but definitely seen his name around a lot. Nice sapphire card there. Stevan Florial as well. Seen his name. Bowman Products. He was definitely one of the bigger hits, I think 2 years ago. But just had to pull that one aside. And this nice blue. Ian Anderson. I don't think I showed the number on this too. I think I forgot that. Number 20 of 99. Top right. Ian Anderson. Nice blue. And the big hit. The Adley Rushman. Again, I believe that's how you say his name. That is huge. It is numbered 15 of 15. Yowza. It's a big one. Once the grading places open up again, probably send this in. That is just disgusting. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Again, this one box of 2019 Bowman Draft Sapphire. Wow, I got lucky. Catch y'all later. Peace.